to make today, Meredith?
Play-Doh.
Hello, friends. That's right. We're going to make some Play-Doh today, and the Play-Doh is going to help us make some fossils because we're going to learn about the dinosaurs. So, dinosaurs, we know that there are dinosaurs that lived many, many years ago, don't we, Meredith? Yes, we do, because they had fossils. So we're going to make Play-Doh and then turn our Play-Doh into some fossils. So Meredith, I need you to put some flour into this bowl for me, okay? So we are just going to use a small batch. So we're going to dump this 1/2 cup of flour into this bowl.
Okay. Oh.
Good job. Then we're going to use 1/2 cup of salt over here, Meredith, to put that in there. Very good. Now mix that around with your fingers. This is the fun part, isn't it, Meredith? Okay, now we're going to add some water. Go ahead and pour that water in there, Meredith. And go ahead and mix it up. Yes. This is the fun part, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, all fun and sticky.
It smells like we're making pancakes.
Smells like we're making pancakes.
Yeah, because
And sometimes if we add too much water, what do you think we could add more of?
water.
More flour. So keep mixing that up, Meredith. So Meredith, you have it mixed into a nice ball. We had to add a little bit more flour, didn't we? Yeah, okay. So Meredith, what color did you want your fossil Play-Doh?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, so carefully, she's going to put a couple of drops into our dough. That's good. Okay. So go ahead and mix that all up and we'll see if our fossil Play-Doh will turn pink.
Ah! It's like Valentine Play-Doh.
So we need it in all of the food coloring, and friends, if you're using food coloring, be careful so we don't get it on the counter or your clothes or anything else. So after kneading it in there, Meredith is mushing it around. Now we can try to make some fossils. So just grab anything you have around the house. So we have this little cush ball. We have this little chicken over here.
Whoa.
We have a little fun friend over here on the other side of a fork. And look, Meredith, you are making some fossils. So if you have somebody at home with you, see if they can guess what your fossil print is. So that's how many, many millions of years ago, they were able, paleontologists were able to determine what type of dinosaurs we had. And now Meredith is going to, here Meredith, let's put it in half.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and go ahead and let's put our chicken in there. Should we put the chicken in there? See what happens. Put the chicken all the way inside of it. And then friends, you can have this Play-Doh, you can have the Play-Doh dry and you can take it to the county fair and I'll have some more information for you if you want. Or you can just play with this and have lots of fun. Was this fun, Meredith? Okay, should we say bye to everybody?
Bye.